Hello children, good morning everybody. How are you? Okay, so we have completed all the portions and we have completed the 3 poems. Okay, trees poem, page number 155. Okay, so everything is over. Now come back to page number 158. Okay, so we will see this word list. After that, in the next class we will see the essay 2 revisions. Okay, all the portions we will revise. Okay, all the important points, meanings, opposites, question answers, everything we have to revise. We have to get ready for essay 2. Okay, so final exam. So before that we will finish this word list. Okay, so shall we see this? This is not the extra words. These words are already in our book back exercises. Okay, all that new words they have combined together as a word list. Okay children, okay, read after me. Absorb, take in, anonymous, with a name that is not known or not made known. See, in the poem sometimes we are seeing this anonymous word. Yes or no? That means we don't know the author name. Okay, so they tell like anonymous. Aquarium, a water filled glass tank for keeping fish and other water creatures and plants. At home many of them are having aquarium. Yes or no? Okay, this goldfish and all, you keep it, you grow it as a pet. Aspect, a particular part or feature of a matter. Assumed, pretend to have or feel. Attack, act harmfully upon someone or something. Begets, leads to, gives birth to. Berry, a small, round, juicy fruit without a stone. Beech tree, a slender tree with thin peeling bark. Blinking, shutting and opening the eyes quickly. Bowing, bending forward as a mark of respect to someone. Burnt, the chief effect of something bad. Cannibal, a person who eats the flesh of other human beings. Cartoons, an animated film or set of humorous drawings. Chanting, repeating a phrase or singing a phrase repeatedly. Cheer, shout for joy or in praise or encouragement. Cheese, food made for the pressed curds of milk. Cooed, spoke very lovingly in a soft voice. Coral reef, the place where coral is found. Coral, a hard substance secreted by certain sea animals as an external skeleton used in jewelry. Cord, thin string or rope made from several twisted strands. Courage, the ability to do something that frightens one. Cowherd, one who takes the cows for grazing. Creep, move slowly and cautiously. Crown, the top or highest part of something. Crushed, press so as to squash or kill. Demon, an evil spirit or devil. Despise, hate, dislike strongly. Disguised, changed in appearance or nature so as to conceal the identity of. Display, put on show in a noticeable and attractive way. Dolphin, a small whale with a beak-like snout and a curved fin on the back. Drowned, die or kill through submersion in water. Duckling, the young one of the duck. Turn the page, number 160. Dustpan, steel or plastic pan used to collect dust from the floor. Ensnaring, catching in or as in a trap. Fable, a short story with a moral. Favorite, the one liked more than all others of the same kind. Flamingo, a wading bird with mainly pink or scarlet feathers and a long neck and legs. Glide, move with a smooth, quiet motion. Globe, the earth. Now, bite at or nibble something continuously. Goldsmith, a person who makes gold articles. Grab, to take suddenly and roughly. Grunt, make a low short sound. Habitat, the natural home or environment of an animal or plant. Hazy, vague or unclear. Honored, an award or title given as a reward for achievement. Hop, jump along with two or all feet at once. Hugged, hold tightly in someone's arm. Blessed, of the lowest rank. Hymn, a religious song of praise, especially a Christian one. Ignore, fail to notice or consider. Implode, beg earnestly or desperately. Incident, an event, a happening. Jumbled, mixed up. Jungle, an area of thick tropical forest and tangled vegetation. Juniper, an evergreen shrub or small tree with sweet-smelling berry-like cones. King's Court, the residence, ministers and household staff of a king. Kitten, a young one of a cat. Kiwi, a New Zealand bird that hair like feathers and a long bill, has no tail and cannot fly. Kneel, sit or rest on a knee or the knees. Labor, hard work. Lark, a brown songbird that sings while flying. Leap, jump high or a long way. Link, join, bring together. Lord of mighty, Lord of might, a very strong person. Maiden over, an over in which no runs have been scored by the batsman. Mason, a builder and worker in stone. Maze, a complicated network of paths through which one has to find a way. Microscopic, a small in size that has to be seen through microscope. Mop, a bundle of thick strings or a sponge or a cloth attached to the handle used for wiping floors. Oak tree, a large tree which produces acorns and a hard wood used for building and furniture. Obstacle, a thing that blocks one's way or hinders progress. offense, a feeling of hurt or annoyance. Ostrich, a large African bird with a long neck and long legs that runs fast but cannot fly. Over, a sequence of 6 balls bowled by a bowler from one end of the pitch. Pane, a single sheet of glass in a wood window or door. Patriotic, strongly supporting one's country and being ready to defend it. Pattern, a repeated decorative design. Penguin, a black and white seabird of the southern hemisphere which cannot fly. Pet, a bird or animal kept for companionship or pleasure. Pilot, a person who operates the flying controls of an aircraft. Pine tree, an evergreen coniferous tree having clusters of long needle-shaped leaves. Pounce, move suddenly so as to catch or attack. Prey, an animal hunted and killed by another for food. Principles, rules or beliefs governing one's personal behavior. Proverbs, a short saying stating a general truth or giving a piece of advice. Punctuality, quality of keeping to the appointed time. Punctuation, marks such as full stop, comma, etc. used in writing in order to separate sentence and to make the meaning clear. Recite, repeat aloud from memory in front of an audience. Reflect, show an image of. Repay, give back. Riddle, a cleverly worded question that is asked as game. Roaming, travel or move around without a purpose over a wide area. Sacrifice, giving up something one loves for the sake of something that is more important. Sage, a very wise man. Sailor, a person who works as a member of a crew of a ship or boat. Scared, afraid. Scatter, throw in various random directions. Scream, a loud piercing cry or shout expressing great emotions or pain. Sea anemone, a sea creature with a tube-shaped body which bears a ring of stinging tentacles around the mouth. Sea horse, a small sea fish with the upright posture and head and neck like that of a horse. Seal, a water-dwelling mammal with flippers and a streamlined body. Seize, take hold of suddenly and forcibly. Shallow, not very deep, having a very short distance between the top and the bottom. Shark, a large sea fish with a triangular fin on its back. Shield, unwilling or reluctant to do something. Shore, the land along the edge of a sea, lake, etc. Simplicity, quality of being simple, humble. Skilled, having special abilities or training. Spare, stop from killing or harming. Spruce tree, a widespread coniferous tree with a conical shape and hanging cones. Starfish, a sea creature having a flattened body with 5 or more arms extending from a central point. Strolled, walk in a leisurely way. Suitable, right or appropriate for a particular person, purpose or situation. Swing, move back and forth or from side to side while hanging. Tailor, a person whose occupation is making clothes for people. Thigh, the part of a leg between the hip and the knee. Tickled, lightly touch in a way that causes twitching and often laughter. Tongue twister, a sequence of words that is difficult to pronounce quickly. Trot, moved at a speed faster than a walk. Uncountable, that which cannot be counted, abstract, unfair, not showing fairness or justice. Untired wing, wing which allows the bird to fly for a long time. Unusual, not often done or occurring. Varied, involving a number of different types. Vertebrate, an animal having a backbone including mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians and fishes. Vacant, get up from sleep. Warrior, brave soldier and fighter. Wild boar, a wild pig with tusks. Willow tree, a tree which typically grows near water, has narrow leaves and bunches of small flowers. Wiping, cleaning or drying by rubbing with a cloth or one's hand. Wrappers, outer cover of chocolates and or biscuits. Wren, a very small songbird with a cocked tail. Thank you, children.